Go. Galit si daddy ah.
Okay. Try.
Same as daddy, Ethan.
Oh! Diyan lang ha, makamatama sila. Oh, concentrate. Oh, Ethan, when you hit the ball, come here, come near.
Pinapawisan si Ethan na rin.
Here. So hit it over here, okay? So try to hit the center para ma-practice lang strength mo. Try to hit the center. Good. Yeah. Good. What's the picture when you position first? Position. Don't just bat. Sige, go. Okay, go. Don't release the bat. Mahina masyado. Good. Good. Slowly. Dahan-dahan mo mapaspasan.
Very strong,
Position
Ethan.
parati. Position.
Careful daw, baka si daddy mapalo mo.
Malumpo naman sa dahil. Concentrate. Lakasan mo. Don't slow down, go.
Pawis na Ethan daddy eh.
Hindi. You have to hit as hard as you can but do not do fast, okay? You're not gonna hit it always. Move back a little. Okay?
Timing.
Okay? Okay? I'm watching there, I'm not watching here.
Watching the picture.
Don't hit as fast as you can, just slowly. Take time and concentrate.
Timing.
Good. Look, malakas itang kasi ka daddy.
Oh, no! Wow!
Home run gini ba?
Ha?
Pag matama ng bola, home run gini.
Ah, ganyan kalakas
Slowly,
doon.
dandahan nga, matired ka.
Slowly. You get tired.
Good.
O ganyan dong.
Oh.
Na-deform.
Go, para pag-straight ka. Straight.
Ang strength niya.
Good.
Ganyan kalakas Ethan pag mag-hit ka ng ball.
Slowly nga, isa-isa lang. Don't. Good. Position, Ethan. Don't just hit first. Relax and hit again. Do. Relax. What's the picture? Go. Good. Relax. Go. Okay. Watch. Good. Relax. Good.
So guys, ganyan sila mag-training. Father and son. Batting.
Good. Good.
Wow. Oh, lakas ni Ethan eh. Ang tama na daddy eh.
Go back a little.
Tired na si Ethan kang.
Okay lang yan para mag-develop. Good. Don't release your bat ha.
Baka matama.
Good.
Okay.
If you hit that kind of strength, the ball would fly.
Yeah.
If you're still timing.
You have home run.
Okay. It
Thank
doesn't
you
matter how big
guys
or
for
small you are.
watching and bye.